who was now we will be discussing about the notes given. So, who was Robin Hood? Who was Robin Hood? Robin Hood was an outlaw. How you can answer? Robin Hood was an outlaw in the Sherwood forest. More if you want, you can write that. Why he was loved by the village people? Because even though he was an outlaw, he always helped the poor people. He robbed from the rich and helped the poor people. So he was loved by the village people. So why was Robin keen to winning the shooting match? Robin was keen to winning the shooting match because he was a skillful shooter. He was a skillful shooter. Who was Maid Marian? Maid Marian was Sherwood Sheriff's. Maid Marian was the daughter of an earl, and Robin was just a landowner's son. So no need to write that Robin was just a landowner's son. Maid Marian was actually Robin's childhood playmate and his sweetheart, and she was the daughter of an earl. Earl means earl was a king. Why did King's Forestier make fun of Robin? King's Forestier made fun of Robin because he was a small boy and he can hardly lift the bow, and he was thinking of winning the sheriff's prize. So they were making fun of Robin. The other forestier laughed loudly and made fun of Robin's look. So how you have to begin the answer? You have to begin the answer that forestiers made fun of Robin because he was hardly able to lift the bow and he was thinking of winning sheriff's prize. So what did Robin do to prove his ability to them? Robin tried to prove his ability by accepting the challenge of the forestier. By accepting the challenge of the forestier, Robin made proved his ability to them. Why was Chief Forestier killed by Robin? Because when Robin come to know that the Chief Forestier had trapped him and he was going to take him to the king, stating that he had killed many deers of king, and Robin was sure that this punishment was death. Punishment for this crime was death. So he killed the Chief Forestier. Who is an outlaw? The person who does not accept the law of the forest is an outlaw. Person who does not accept the law of a forest is an outlaw. Why was Robin Hood joined by other men? Robin Hood was joined by other men because he was doing a good work, and other men wanted to protect their lives or escape from being sent to prison. They joined Robin and chose him their leader. You can write that it is on page number 140 that they ran away to the forest to save their lives or escape being sent to prison. Many of them joined Robin and chose him as their leader. So they joined, so to say. Okay, understand? Whoever came to Robin for help. Whoever came to Robin, it is on the first page. You have to complete the following sentences. Whoever came to Robin for help never went empty handed. पेज नंबर फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ की आखिरी लाइन में देखिए दोस्तों. Whoever came to Robin for help never went away empty handed. Second, Robin wanted to win the match for the. Robin wanted to win the match for what? Win the match for the prize and also to win a smile from Maid Marian. And also to win a smile from Maid Marian, who was his childhood playmate and his sweetheart. You have to complete that. फुल स्टॉप तक लिखना पड़ेगा दोस्तों. सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में है, देखिए. Robin wanted to win the match for the